One day after President Obama called for compromise, lawmakers seem further apart than ever on the issue of debt limit. There are two plans being considered, and opponents fighting hard against each of them. So many Americans responded to the president's call to make their voices heard that they were temporarily crushed. The websites of congressional leaders. The deadline is August 2nd. If there is no deal by then, the government will not be able to pay its bills. That means we can expect interest rates to rise on everything: houses, cars, credit cards, you name it. And it will also affect our 401ks. Action News reporter Julie Bonovich has more on what it means for your retirement.
Bob Ingram is a financial advisor for Ameriprise Financial in Troy. He's urging people close to retirement, like the baby boomers, or those who are already drawing from their 401k, to be defensive with how they are investing their money.
So it's very important to have investment diversification, where you may want to have a combination of exposure to the stock market and to some bonds and to some cash, even commodities.
Commodities like gold and silver, they have been solid investments over the past 2 years. That same age group should look at less risky choices, like keeping money in short-term, very liquid investments that are not sensitive to changes in interest rates. Ingram also suggests keeping some of the money in the cash option.
But it's got to be in a mix that's appropriate for your goals.
While baby boomers need to be more defensive, Ingram says younger generations can afford to be more aggressive with their investment choices. A downturn in the market could actually be beneficial to them in some ways.
It can actually work to the advantage of people that are continuing investing in and want to buy at a low price that over time will hopefully be higher.
So while you don't have to pick up the phone and rearrange your portfolio today, there's no guarantee how the market will react, and you need to be thinking about it right now.
Don't worry about the day-to-day movements. Just figure out what the percentages you want to move to and make that change, manage to that percentage over the coming weeks to months.
In Troy, Julie Bonovich, Channel 7, Action News.